G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here at Newcastle Caravan Repairs, and they are also the dealers for the fabulous Vanman range of caravans. Now this range of vans is just sensational. Packed with features, including they all have an aluminium frame, which is excellent. And all of them come as a touring range, a semi-off-road or a full off-road. You just choose which one you want. You can customise it to suit yourself. So let's go and have a look, eh? Come with me. Oh, this is so good. This is the Boab. So you've got a selection of toolboxes up here, which is really good. This is a full tunnel boot, massive tunnel boot. Let's go inside. Is it fabulous? It's fabulous. Now this is the Boab. This particular one's the off-road version, and that's excellent because you're going to get 2 solar panels up on the roof. You've got the battery management system, which is really excellent. And then you've got the super suspension, which is an off-road suspension. You get a choice of mud terrain tyres or all-terrain tyres. You've got that super big toolbox at the front with the generator slide. Oh, it's excellent. So let's show you some more. This bathroom, oh, luxury, luxury, luxury. In here, there's a washing machine. You've got plenty of storage, good linen press area, fabulous toilet, and a shower. By golly, the shower is like a luxury hotel. Now the beauty part is you have this terrific fridge, which is the isotherm fridge. It's got 2 compressors. So you've got the fridge area up top, freezer area down. That's brilliant. Coming through here, this is leather, New South Wales leather. A tri-fold table, so that folds out. You've got storage under there and storage drawers underneath as well. Really good. Now if you want to go off-road and you want to see the real Australia, these have been sent to us by people who've already got a Boab. And this is Birdsville sand. This one here is from Rosebery in southwest Tasmania, and then you've got the Strzelecki track. So are they really off-road? Yes, they're really off-road. You know, one of the most exciting things about getting a new van is you get a brand new kitchen. Everyone wants a new kitchen. You're getting it here with your Vanman Boab. Now have a look. You've got great storage up here, an exhaust fan there, a fabulous panoramic window, but here's something really good. The drawers are not only large, they're stainless steel runners, but when you close them, soft close. Ha! In here, a lovely pantry area, so you can pull your pantry out. Everything's so easy to get to. You're standing here, you can just reach and grab. Too terrific. This is wonderful. You've got a fabulous oven, you've got a griller here, and then you've got your 4 hot plates here. I think that's excellent. Now your sleeping wing is always so important. See over here, you've got lighted pods. Now inside those lit pods, which are just a nice little night lamp if you will, you've got 12 volt power and you've also got your 240 volt power points. So if you've got a CPAP machine or you want to have extra things that you want to plug in and have your social media devices plugged in there, then you can. You've got wardrobes, you've got cabinets, you've got light, you've got speaker for your sound, you've got extra lighting over your bed if you want it. It's just one of those very, very clever and well-planned bedroom areas. You know, there's a whole host of reasons to buy from Vanman, and one of them is their care of the customer. So you've seen vans towing along and they've been like that, and you've seen vans towing along and they've been like that. Well, at Vanman, what they do is you bring in your tow vehicle, and then they, when they're constructing the van, will work out whether you should have your hitch at this height, or that height, or that height, and that way it suits your vehicle, suits your van, and everyone's happy. Isn't the Boab fabulous? It is, isn't it? So for you to find out more, it's so easy. You just go to the website newcastlecaravanrepairs.com.au or go to vanman.net.au. I'm Scott Gibbons. I'll see you on the road.